Right, so now we're going to look at deleting a file. Now, deleting a file is possible. Okay, so I'm not going to actually run this code just yet because I'll show you a slightly better way of doing it. But if you import OS, which is a separate library of it gives you extra features, you can do OS for operating system, os.remove, and delete a file, and it will look in the same location. Now, that's fine, but it is slightly better practice to put this in an if statement. To put this in an if statement like this, because what you can say is if the path exists, so if it finds that file, delete it, otherwise display a little message. So that's slightly better practice for doing the same thing. So you can see here I've got a demo file. If I run this code, name OS is not defined. Oh, I've not imported it. I deleted that as well. I can't spell. But yeah, if I run that, unless it's no, it's fine. And you see the file's gone. So you can delete files. You can also delete folders, which I've included a little bit in my code for the video on deleting a folder. The only thing I'd say is it's very rare you need this, and be very careful when you do use it, because if you delete stuff, it is deleting it. You can't necessarily get it back. And just use it sparingly and make sure you really do need to delete stuff before you delete anything.